Leathur Rokk here. Welcome to my channel. That was Cassie. Well, today I have a treat for you. I have kind of a 2-for-1. I have a story time video for you, and I also have an unboxing of my latest package from B&H Cosmetics. Yeah, it took about 2 weeks, but that's not the fault of the makeup company. It's the fault of our crappy mail delivery service. But first, let's get to the story time. It was about tonight, actually. Well, today, first of all, in order for me to illustrate this, hold on a second. I have to show you something. Now, today was my mother's 78th birthday, and I was planning on making her a birthday cake. And I had small pans, but I wanted a normal sheet size baking pan. So my mother contacted my brother because he had it last, and he basically said she doesn't need to, meaning that he would take care of it. So I just got back from a club. It is now 4:43 in the morning. This is the cake that I don't know if he bought this or he had it made for her or something. By the size of the tin, I don't think he made it himself. Fine, it tastes good, whatever. But the thing is, I wanted to make a chocolate cake for my mother today. And I wanted to make a special icing. I have a special invention, special recipe of mine that just involves peanut butter and honey. And you beat it until it's smooth. And that's what I would put on chocolate cake. But I didn't get a chance to do it because my brother decided that he would one-up me by getting this little cake. So anyway, and I could very well go and make her a decent sized one tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm going to have time. Anyway, but that's not why you're watching this video, I'm sure. Oh, and by the way, yes, I do still have the Christmas tree up. I have the Christmas tree here, and then I have the one in my room, and when I'm going to take it down is anybody's guess. I like to have Christmas trees up a long time. I'm just not ready to pack everything, all the twinkly, pretty, sparkly colors and stuff. I'm not ready to pack it up. So, here's what I got from B&H Cosmetics. Nice big box. Oh, and if you noticed I'm not wearing lipstick, there's a reason for that. Because I figured I might want to try on some of what I'm unpacking. Well, first of all, this is one of the eyeshadow palettes I just got. This is the Foil Eyes 2. It's a 28 color eyeshadow palette, and it's all metallic, and these can be applied wet or dry. Now, this is not a new palette. This palette's been out at least a few years, but I got it, if I could get the darn thing open, I got it on a deep discount. I paid $5 for this. Now, take a look at this. I don't have, this is not the room that has the extra lamp in it, so I hope that you can get a good idea of what the colors are like. This palette. It's got some grays and it's got some neutrals, but it's got some real nice greens and blues, and it's got a purple that's rather muted, but it'll do, and it's got some nice pinks, and for $5, and it is 28 colors, and it has, for me anyway, the flesh tone that I would need, and I'm very happy with it. I say I definitely got more than $5 over. So, and again, I really like their packaging. Makes me want to do something with this, and I'm sure I'll find something creative to do with it. Here's another palette. See what I have in my hands? I have the latest issue of the ZODIAC Love Signs palette. I've been eyeing this and I've been waiting for it to go on sale. This is today I got it for 30% off. And I think this is better than the original ZODIAC palette. Now, the original ZODIAC palette, it has 4 matte purples, which I find very useful. But most of the other colors are too neutral for me to have a lot of practical uses for. But this palette here, as you can see, now whereas the original Zodiac palette has a very cool white highlighter, this one is more of an off-white. This has like a nice fuchsia color, and it has a brighter blue in it, and it has a dark blue with almost purple overtones on it. It has really nice golds and pale pinks, and it has a nice matte fuchsia color here, and it also has a matte white and a dark green and almost a turquoise matte. So I think that these would be more useful, at least for me. I think this might be a little bit more suitable to somebody with very pale skin. But actually, I also think that this would be a complement to the original Zodiac palette. So, and if you get familiar with B&H Cosmetics, they really have sales cycles that if you wait long enough, the thing that you're wanting will go on a nice discount for you. Okay. Another thing I got, I was looking at their brushes. And for a couple of years now, I've been really wanting a fan brush, a small fan brush. And this is the V14. It says it's vegan. Now, I don't care whether things are I'm eating or wearing. They don't need to be vegan. But whatever. But one thing I like about this brush is I wanted something for applying highlight to, and also convenient for dusting off. Like say you are baking your concealer under your eyes, and you're also using that time to apply your eyeshadow. And the great thing about baking is you've got a load of powder, and then if you put eyeshadow on your eyes, any fallout that happens, it's very easy to dust off. And a fan brush is easy for dusting off when you get the crumblies underneath. It is now, when I'm recording this, it is now 4:49 a.m. I came out of a club. I was in 2 different clubs in a casino, and off the casino floor there was a little bit of cigarette smoke, so I'm still choking from that. It's going to be hard to put this back on, this cover, so I guess I'm not even going to try. Okay. Yeah, really, how can you possibly get... Oh, I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Look at this. Look at this. It is open on the end. There you go. Alright. I really like this kind of extra packaging. Now, it makes it more portable when I want to use it, or if I've started to use it and I want to bring it with me along with my makeup. I have something to keep it protected. Alrighty. See what's in here. Here's another brush. This says brush V20, vegan precision blending brush. Soft, smaller than other brushes I have that have a similar shape. See, this isn't so big and thick. I think this would be good for getting in the crease without also touching your brow bone area. And if you have sagging brows, I think it will keep your crease color in the crease and not in your excess eyelid skin. So, yes, I'm very happy with that. And this brush here, it says brush 17, small tapered blending brush. And this feels a bit firmer than a previous brush I used. And another thing I noticed about these handles You know those ink pens that have like a rubber coating on the handle so that when you squeeze it, they feel almost soft and flexible? Well, that's what's on these brushes, and the handles are thinner and almost feel like the kind of brushes that you would use in a paint set if you were painting with acrylics or you're painting with oils or even those watercolors. That's what this handle feels like. It's thinner than almost any of my other makeup brushes. So this is going to be the first time I've ever bought makeup brushes that weren't from a dollar store in a long time. The only other place that I bought makeup brushes so far was Avon. So many people spend 30, 40 bucks or more on a single makeup applicator brush, and I don't know, I think that's crazy. Okay, this is a lip pencil. I knew that I was going to be getting a few nude lipsticks, and I want to experiment with them, and I think with them, especially to keep them lasting long, you would like to have a lip liner. So I got 2 lip liners from B&H. This one, the color is called Sandy, and I don't know if you're even going to see in this overhead light. Do you see that at all? And these, I think the top price on these lip pencils are $5. I got them for $3.50, which is still more than I wanted to pay, but I only got 2. I figure the next time I get lip pencils, I'll wait for them to get a deeper discount. I believe I've seen them as low as $1.99. The only thing is, by the time they get down that low, they might be sold out of a lot of colors. But the thing is that you can get put on a waiting list if a color that you like in B&H Cosmetics is out of stock. You can ask them to contact you when it is back in stock. Okay, this pencil, the color is called Earth. You could see it's a good bit darker. And these look very smooth. These don't tug at all. And these look like the kind of plasticky fake wood that's much easier to sharpen. And you won't ever have any splinters with this. Oh. Okay, now this was a free gift. If you ordered at least $25, this was your gift with purchase. The minimum for free shipping on this was $40, which is good because for a while there it was $50 for free shipping, and a lot of times I would get these $50 virtual Visa gift cards as for how one of my day jobs paid me. So if you're getting a $50 card and your shipping is minimum $50, you figure there's going to be tax on top of that. So I wasn't able to pay with those cards, so I'm really glad that they lowered the free shipping. So this is a gift for 25 bucks and more. This is the Royal something. And this probably won't even say it. Royal Affair lip color set. It comes in a pretty sequin bag, and I have handles with lobster claw clasps on them. They're supposed to be keychains that I can make a little night bag out of this. See, it comes with 5 lip colors. One of them is a red color. You know what? The labels are way too small, and I can't see them. I guess I'm going to have to tell you later on, or maybe tell you in the show notes. There is a color that's closer to a hot pink. There is a brownish neutral. There is a much lighter brown nude color. And there is a closer to flesh tone nude color, like a beige. So all 5 of these lip colors were free. with everything else that I bought. So basically for a little over $40, I got everything I just showed you. So let's see if there's anything else that I forgot. No, that was it. They enclosed a card advertising some of the mini makeup palettes that they have out now, that they're not full of enough bright colors that would warrant me to buy them, unless some of them went on a very, very, very deep discount. I think the one called Love in London, if it goes on a 50% off or more sale, I might get it. But for the list price of $12, I wouldn't get it because it only has a few colors in it that really rock my socks. So, okay. That was my video. That was my B&H Cosmetics unboxing. If you like this video, want to give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and my content, I'd love to have you subscribe. If you do, hit that bell notification. That way you won't miss anything. I publish new content Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for your viewing pleasure. Love to have you join me on my adventures. Till then, talk to you soon. Bye.